Welcome to e-learning, Chapter 4, Environmental Management. Introduction. This chapter deals with the different components of the environment, their interactions with each other, biodiversity present in the environment, threats to the environment and biodiversity, and different measures for environment conservation. Every ecosystem is made up of three broad components: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers are organisms that create food from inorganic matter. The best examples of producers are plants, lichens, and algae, which convert water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Consumers are those organisms that get their energy from eating other organisms. They may eat plants or they may eat animals. Decomposers are those organisms that decompose or break down organic matter, such as the remains of dead organisms. Decomposers include bacteria and fungi. A food chain shows how each living thing gets food and how nutrients and energy are passed from creature to creature. Food chains begin with plant life and end with animal life. Relationship between environment and ecosystem. Let us first understand what is environment. Physical, chemical, and biological factors affecting the living organism in any possible way is collectively called as environment. It includes many biotic, abiotic, natural, and artificial factors. There are two main types of environment. One is natural environment and the other is artificial environment. Natural environment consists of air, atmosphere, water, land, living organisms, etc. Artificial environment is formed as a result of human modifications in the natural environment. Continuous interactions occur between biotic and abiotic factors. Their interactions are very important. Artificial environment is also affecting the natural environment directly or indirectly. Basically, environment consists of two basic factors: biotic factors, abiotic factors. The science that deals with the study of interactions between biotic and abiotic factors of the environment is called as ecology. Basic functional unit used to study the ecology is called as ecosystem.